Hello everyone. I want to do a flip of this journal today. This is a project for the Community Cares for DAFI. And I think that I say that right. It's DAFI. It's an auction item for care. Care Hart does, she has a project where she helps out disabled artists. And Kathy from Kathy's World put out a challenge for us to create teams, and as a team come together to create a project that they could sell for the auction. And I'm going to get this in the mail right away. I do not know if it'll make for the July auction. I'm hoping so. I'm going to put it in a priority envelope. So hopefully Kara will get it in time. And I don't know exactly when it'll come up, but this is going to be the flip for it. Now our team is called the Worker Bees, and it is Lisa Conway, Janet Baum, Teresa Church, and I. Lisa and I have YouTube channels, and I will link Kathy's video below, Lisa's YouTube channel below, and I actually made a video of the construction of this project, so you can actually see how it was constructed, and all of those things. Each of us had a part. The girls sent me packages of stuff to add to it. The beautiful papers in here were made by Lisa. Many of the tags and cards and pockets were made by Janet and Teresa. I coffee dyed the envelopes, and I put the journal together. It is a little bit of a, I'm not going to open every pocket unless there's something in them. It's a little bit naked so that it can be written on. It has empty pockets, and it's still nice and fat because it's got lots of fun stuff in it. My mama even made me a couple of pieces for the journal. These were embroidered, and there's tags and cards and pockets. This is a paper clip, so you can see the paper clip. There's 2 signatures in this journal. Oops, I pulled that off, and that was supposed to hold this card. So there's lots of journaling space. There's lots of arting space. These papers are absolutely delicious. This is really fun. It's got a surprise in it. It has butterfly confetti. Oops. See? It's a surprise. And they go right back under there. Might need my glasses to put it back. And tucks in. This little confetti pockets were made by Teresa, and Janet made the little tea bag tuck space. Yep, I'm going to need my glasses to put this back. Just ridiculous, Tanya. Don't open the next one. Okay, so we'll put that back in there. I just think the papers are absolutely gorgeous. There are envelopes, and they have tags. There are belly bands that have tucks and tags. There's some avocado dyed paper in here. The signatures are tied in to the journal, and I put little butterflies on the ends of the ties so that they can be used and like bookmarks. I'm just going to turn each page, guys, and I love this butterfly right there. As I said, Lisa made the papers. Janet and Teresa made the pockets and the tags. And I basically put the thing together. So that's... And it's headed out as soon as possible tomorrow. No, it'll already be gone by the time you see this video. Not tomorrow. This is a fun little pocket. It is double. Each of the signatures is enclosed in an envelope. This is just a little cluster up there. And so each of the signatures is in envelopes, and then the outside cover is envelopes. So there's lots of place to put things in this journal. The signatures are similar. They have similar things. Like this one has the same kind of pocket. It's a different butterfly, but it's the same kind of pocket. This has a paper clip. And again, I pulled it off and missed putting back what is in there. There's similar papers in each one. They're not all exactly the same. And I'm not going to open this little one. I would just make a mess, and I'm not going to do that. It's a beautiful, these papers are beautiful. I'm very happy with how this came out. It came out very nicely. It went together. It took a while to put together. For one, I had to think about making sure the construction was going to stay together, and I had to see what everyone had sent me. So, aren't these beautiful papers? They're just gorgeous. And tucks and tags. And Teresa has sent the belly bands. And again, this signature has the ties so that you can use them for bookmarks. This is the envelope as well. It just doesn't have anything tucked into it right now. It was so much fun seeing what everybody put together and how well it went together for the journal. I was very pleased. It came out real well. Now then, because there were some extras, there are some extra goodies. Lisa sent some extra butterflies. There's some extra goodies in here. And in this big pocket, there are a couple of sheets of Lisa's beautiful paper that can be used to make something else that you might want to put in this journal. So I'm hoping that Kara likes it and that Kathy likes it, although I think I've seen a post that Kathy really liked it. Don't forget that there will be all kinds of links down in the description box. Oh, by the way, this is handmade rope, handmade paper rope. I made the rope for it. There will be all kinds of description links and things in the description box. There will be a link to Lisa's channel, to Kathy's challenge video, to the DAFI site, And there will be a link, and I'm probably going to try to put it up there. I can link to my own videos, so I will probably have tried to link the construction video in up there, but it will also be in the description box. Guys, I hope you like this project. Please check out the DAFI auction. I do not know if it'll make it for the July one, but I'm hoping so. And you guys have a wonderful day. Have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.